Us people wherever you are all over the world, this is Radio Biafra Extra. We are streaming live through Radio Biafra London, being anchored by the Deputy Leader of the Indigenous People of Biafra, Mazi Uche Okafor. He is from Abatete. Abatete is in Anambra, and Anambra State is Biafra land. He's the man who have assured us that he will not allow the heart of this project to see corruption. And to this very moment, against all odds, he has stood by his words. He is standing in the deputizing capacity on behalf of our Supreme Leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu, the Prince of Afari Beku. For over 6 decades, or almost 6 decades rather, nobody have been able to stand up to speak for the collective interest of the Biafran people. Not because we do not have people who will speak for us, but simply because something is wrong somewhere. He is the Prince of Afari Beku, heir to the throne of Ibeku Kingdom. Ibeku Kingdom is in Umuahia Province. Umuahia Province is in Abia State. Abia State is in Biafra land, for the avoidance of doubt. And by the grace of Chukwuka Abiyama, I am George Onyibe. I am from Abo. George Onyibe. I am from Abo. Abo is in Delta State. Delta State is Biafra land. Every piece of land in Delta State, Biafra land, for the avoidance of doubt. This is a segment, a moment where we present news in different dialects in Biafra land. And of course, as always, we will be going to our studios across Biafra land for our correspondent to talk to us, communicate with us in our indigenous language. Believing, or rather calling upon Biafrans across the globe, you are from Idoma, you are from Egala, you are from Iyala, you are from Aruchuku, you are from Oboborwa, you are from Iguacha, Andoni, Ogoni, Kalabare, Wakreke, wherever you come from, Akwa Ibom, Efike, Namibibio, Eka, you are from Patani, you are from Abreba, you are from, what are the names? Abraka, Oli, Wore Sapile, wherever you come from as a Biafran. It is now or never. Hopefully the time will permit us to be able to communicate to you in a language you'll understand. But before I go across the cross section of Biafran, I just have a special number dedicated to Biafrans. If you don't understand what I'm going to say, you better going to ask somebody to explain for you, because I'm going to sing it in a way that I'm going to enjoy it myself. I have to enjoy it myself, but I'm not selfish anyway. Oge meme broge omo Biafra jingwa nwere o. Oge meme broge omo Biafra jingwa nwere o. Emanasari abatago ogba aghara abata. Onye na-eme mmemme o ya gasa sari ya lawa o. Oge meme broge omo Biafra jingwa nwere o. Imano oge meme broge omo Biafra jingwa mmeri o. Nigerian government abatago ogba aghara abata. Onye na-eme mmemme ya kpọ Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ bịa o. Oge meme broge omo Biafra jingwa nwere o. Oge meme broge omo Biafra jingwa nwere o. Emane Ekwensu abatago ogba aghara abata. Onye na-eme mmemme o ya kpọ Nnamdi Kanu ka ọ bịa o. Your only savior, Biafrans, is Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. If you like, accept. If you don't like, don't accept. It is one way or the other. Biafra must be returned. I'll be back in a minute. From Igala studio, can you hear me?
I can hear you clear, sir. Good evening, sir. Mazen.
Good evening. Go ahead, please. The word is listening.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, sir. Good evening. Please go ahead. The word is listening.
I thank you all the eminent of the Biafra. My name is Ude Jehovah Oguduni. I'm calling from Igala land. But I'm in Asaba province. Asaba province is in Igala. Those days before them packed Asaba. And it went to history. they will let you to know it's Asaba is in Jala. And it's in Biafra land. So, Mazonide, and thank you. And also thank you, Mazi Nandi Oku Kano, the leader of the people of Biafra, and Mazi Uche Emefo, the deputy leader of the indigenous people of Biafra. God bless you all. So, Obodi Gala, Dawalan, Ewalodudu, Ewaloroka, Gala Mewa, Ataida Nigwa, Emeti Egwa Ichoma Fedewe, Nekumado Udejoba, Oguduni, Kulu Odiana Ijala. Obodi Gala ni Ajet Mema, Igala ki Biafra Machi, Kutudu, Awadi Gala. Aja kanya anya ja kumado nko anya ja madeke anya ja madori anya ja madafu ka upo kalu alu gbedo ko meji adi gbogbo abo di ohun this is alu kiyewa ono dan this madi de igbo am culture ma chitaka o chupocho kachu. So, I'm a my dagi. I need to go back up on it. If you go only at Takaiba, if radio Biafra, no. You will go to book again. You cannot make a Biafra to go at Takaida. At that time, you get all away. Go to do. Not if you damada, I go to Kumado one day. Ajodu kumado tukemeka. Ajodu kumado kumado obiora. Oboga modu crazy. Awa kechi de. Kutudu nka adi de Hausa. Chide akechi. Chide Yoruba chide yaji. Then awo maigala. Ati molawa. Ati mgoka kulo. Lecho nojeba o maigala. Idodu kumede. Ile kwane ile chi Biafra udu kutudo Biafra wachi awachaka tema ka Biafra chi le kwane kuma lokume na ti Hausa udu tibe kuma ida kechi da kero an ti baba gida chi e populale ni amogodu captain kan ekele ide kuma do ide degeli ide duka. Kani Babangida Koroma, Yamanu meeting, Kipobodu Mataka, Kutudu, Ima Anekane, Yogi Odide, Kopeta Kwane, Kotagia Kwane, Kabi Deka Akela Wushini, Kubo Bokali, Omaigala Mekwane, Tukulebetima the Melbourne Dejebe, Melbourne de Doma, Melbourne de Jo. Maybe me do Shakiri, maybe me do Rubu, maybe me do Saibom, maybe me do Nugu, maybe me do Glary, maybe me do Nambra. Happy death, Medokuto Dige, you book Medugu. Unoka Ubanka Macha Kunushini, Masha Kuna, Masha Kunushini Baneji. The politician can never put over the command of Duke, like G or Bobby Martin. Eji mana gbonu ya ke ngwa mo gbodu kumede ije kume luwa kume te bia na Biafra kuturu Biafra wachi ya kalu America ne ka gbo kumade le ma te ka yi de gala ti de Biafra ma te ma bi ke di fi wani ya kalu de Britain gbodu kumade ka yi gala ti de Biafra ma te ma bi ke di fi wani. Eko kuma di fi wa yo lanu kutubu obodi bo ataka ti de duka kene ni ku duka kene ni rank ni duka ku meligo ko tele na mo maidala o maidala he to president o maidala be my to vice president Ete kumadu gome kamelu kale tojo pete kumeligo. Ataida. Ibo du kebe. Uwe kusataida. Seni. Kwane. Iyeke kola wa mo maigala. Amo maigala kuma mubo kumade. Ka abu bekachi. Boka jibebu ani. Tiba kechi kumadaru boka. Nke aka ka mo maigala ati. Nka da ijije nlo ane wachi. Oche kumado uchu. Oka. Bamanye kumado alapa. Amo bobe nile la bata. Kamo maigala kumachi. Achu uduku. Amu nile chaka. Ibe wa kwane. Kumado dun. Amu ka uche ka atibe. Nile chaka wa mufulani tibe kumadi de. Ibe tuwani. Wa kwane kumapa de chaka. Kutudu wena tika yoku. Mari po ya. Mari po ya wen. Mado betolo maweta. I'm a Christian. You gotta be a Christian. Then mother, you don't do kuni ala di de. You want to plan yele. Manata mono chiga. You want to go ra wele. Manata mono chiga. Mele kada mani. Oh. Beki beka mi de governor wa. Kuma che shile no. Kutubu na gbon kuma duano. Imo. Ibe madi de cheku o machi. Ibe che o machi kam governor. Beke matuka. Emi governor sale. Babo ni ma je meje ama chodona. Bawo yo ke ko ma to do chi. O ma do be pete. Odo na ma chen. Ewu du ma chen. Ko yin no wan. Anu ni ogun no. E ya lo be fe mo ma ni ti ya bi ma. Ile be je wo ya le. E fe be ke do ya le lo te. That's a good one. Oh, yeah, cool. But everybody that is mad. Any doctor, it's an operation. Can I let you see? Doctor, I will tell you. But if you get less, Mama, in Nigeria. Now, we know that some doctor, I will know. That's my plan. Because I'm not back, my mother will know. That's my channel. You will call it there. You have 150,000. Where are 200,000? That doctor channel be. Then next year, all my book med movie. That time I used to do a two bunka. Oh, I don't wear out for you, I don't wear out for you for sign mano. Oh, I don't know, I'm a better one. I'm like a can of this, all I can hear, Mama got to Bangia. Mama got to America. Mama got to Dubai. Woman pay dealer. But I'm on my own alley. This was a mother Nigeria. Ma devi ma fu ma fe ma no ko te be nka aisha buhari ti kola ti o fe nti da soro yeni choko re no ku be ka ba nde ba kwa nani ku ma ne nti da soro ku ma ne ku omo ni ka bi be selection ni tu ka ife buhari ma ka ka nti be ka ba ka icho oko re be no ko tu bi ma be ji ka bi ni ma wo ko ba o ka ni wo iwa lo goma. Yes. Okay, you took a family do now. Our joke at Robata. Now, I'm going to make one. You do to me then. Call my gala to make one. If you can't be a frog, Biafra, the same approach a caca Biafra, Maki Jacka, the position to make my disease, Mano. And the Taka from our Jawa, tell me, after 500 naira. If they buy 502, please let me. That Biafra, your mother. Every woman dream. My children, my dilemma, I for my team. Never that they will look at me. That's why today, everybody that they will. In a mother, a bit side a bit. And it says, go my anyhow with a daddy will go. And go my anyhow with a daddy will go. I tell you, God. And you go to my only galley. So that you have me there. You prefer to work there. You need to know. You are a big man. Yama to be a fanatic, let you are. Yabuki Yama Yamatawa. The baby Takamama Kuno, the baby Kataka Tamanel, so you like a thing. Nathan will be done a baby to me. Let me get you this, I teach you. Pamani de Yaji. Umadu Wachiano. That's one of the baby one. Kalazu Jakreka Jaukane. Ujatra kujawa de gala mti. Ne kalma. Wa be kekere je lepe. Ne do ka sare du kubo. Ile to la bu ke ma no di na nyamare. Idan ba ka sare du kubo ya da ti. Ai ni ko ke ko tudu ma do do. E ka sare ma ma no. Ani de kekere ma ujawa ye dia na ejara. Ma ni ke ujawa dia na ejara ni. E dia na ejara ko ni dia na wo pai. Ma wa atan. Ma wa many places wala di jawo myself. Ira carry the kubo, utume ka ma do do. We plan do get too much we do. After the kubo is the nothing. Take after the kubo is no more. We need those states to attain and ma do journey ko ti de gala ko le duwa. We don't say that ma from Abuja ko ma wa ma li te di ma ni. That e gala to the big man to do job meji mo. So let one the day shekere ko the day jo. Ẹgbẹ́ ní ti máa ṣáré kí mẹ́ta lọ sáré ìdìkú bọ́ ń gbókè jẹ́ kí ìgbógbó yọ̀ kí ó wọ́n lá máa ń dìka wá kí ìgbókè máa ń dìka wú. Ó béèrè alọ́ sáré ìyànà kí ká sáré máa fẹ́ kí tẹ̀lé kí ìdìbò lè ní egún. Ká máa kàwé ka ẹ̀rí dáwà pa nẹ̀ tìrútìrú. Ìdáwà pé kàkà fọ́mà Buhari máa wọ́n ní ọ̀dà ìkàǹkà fọ́mà Buhari ìjọ kà máa tó rẹ̀ ju ibi ìyẹn lùgùn. Fọ́mà Buhari ló ń kéde dùn láti dín ìlẹ̀dú pẹ́ àtúrọ̀ kù mẹ́jẹ̀ sí ìwàmùnẹ̀. Bẹ̀rù ló kàyẹ̀ sí àmọ̀nẹ́ àmànà. Ọgbọ́dé dára mẹ́fà náà ti jẹ́ ká ló tó ìjà. Ìjà tí bẹ́ẹ̀ ti jà wá ìṣú. Ìjà tí bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ń kéde sí ìwà jẹ̀ ní dúdú kùmẹ́dẹ́. Lẹ́gbọ́n yọ̀nà mẹ́mú kùmàdé wọn ọjà náà ìjà wà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ pípẹ́ ọ̀ká náà ká ìjà wá. Ìjà dẹ́ ká jà. Àǹdí ìdákẹ́sí ẹ̀kẹ́ tó máa kọ́ńkà. Dókè ìjà náà ìjà là. Ìdákẹ́sí ni kò kọ́ńkà náà ìjà là nù. Fúlàní ni ké kọ́ńkà náà ìjà là nù. Má ní ké tiwọn. Ó kùmà dábàá ní kùmà láti ìdájí. Ọwọ́ kàdémà these days na wọ́n kìlọ̀ bẹ́ẹ̀ bí o tùwà lẹ̀ wọ́n wà ní ìpọ́sọ́rì several occasions kò máa wájà wà máa pọ́sọ́rì máa wọ́n tó pọ́sọ́rì because nǹka ọ̀sá àmà ní gálà tó mà wọ́n. Káàkiri ẹ̀ ló máa lọ bẹ́ẹ̀ wá bèsì ọmọ okòròjì àtàkà àmìdá àgbàdo àtàkà ọmọ kàjẹ tẹ́ka bẹ́ẹ̀ kiri ológun bá mẹ́ nílẹ̀ bí wọ́n lọ atánẹ̀ ká ọjà dẹ́ ìjà kílẹ̀ ìkàwà ìbẹ́ni ìjà kàtà ní ìgbàlẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ náà. Kama mano. Ẹgbẹ́ ọdún kùmà Yaya Bello. Ẹ̀kí Yaya Bello kwanẹ̀. Ẹgbẹ́ ọdún kì á kíkẹ́ kùmà dédé gọ́ọ̀mẹ̀ntì Yaya Bello yẹrọ mọ́ mẹ́nu. The Senate election ló ti jẹ́ Yaya Bello kwanẹ̀. Ìyá Luko Kamẹ́ta. Ìyá Adu Disease. Ìdó missionary. I thank God for a missionary Kogi. Kàmá tí máa ń máa kó bọ́ọ̀sì ẹ̀kẹ́rì àtàkẹ́rì rà ní dé wọ́kà sọ́mẹ̀. Gbogbo gbàgbọ́nẹ́ gbogbo kùmẹ̀dẹ́ alégálà tí ẹ kà yẹ́lò dùdú yẹ́lò rọ́ka yẹ́lànẹ́ ọjọ́ kìtàbùnẹ́ nẹ́ ọjọ́ kìtàbùnẹ́ máàlú oyin ìdè ọjọ́ kìtàbùnẹ́ Nnamdi Okukanu ọjọ́ kìtàbùnẹ́ Uche Emefiele ọjọ́ kìtàbùnẹ́ ọgbọ́gbọ́ ọmọ tìyẹ́ tẹ̀bẹ̀ kùtùdú tìyẹ́ kàkànyìn tó dé Biafra ẹ̀dẹ̀ ọmọ ayẹyẹ oṣù à ẹ̀ kàdé ní òǹkà ànyọ́gbà mẹ́ẹ̀kẹ́ ebi dọ́gba àmẹ́dùbì. Edudubi abedogwa the children of one you from Avedo Yahweh Yeshua. He say thank you very much.
Labari Studio, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you loud and clear, sir.
Go ahead, please. The word is listening.
Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, great people of Biafra. Once more, I greet you. I remain your humble servant, the Bill Agency. Right now, I want to speak to my people in our dialect, our local dialect. We are all Biafran. We are Makalaba Rosim, Obate. All year on that was the Bill Agency, and then about all night one. For one at Bolona Manua by a coin. What we do there, Biafran, then one by we go Biafran, then the Manua Paduga. Name by being at get on in the good year. But I do what I need. One a Calabana for ma. So once I say, ye one I move Pacatren, ye Pacatren, and no one answer here. One fine year say you will get here. Ye go great, but I want to go ma. One man is Betty. I don't want to one of Betty. One man, one I need to do, but I want to see a apple. One man is some people, but I know what I want to do. And go say, ye make she, what must she? But what made you are running back there, and one second one answer. Mokuma means me walk for last. o mini na sake but o mini bem so begin na sake bi ake dem neke o ni ma ofa gbo won Nigeria ane wana ni ti ko na bo mi Hausa na Yoruba na wana mina poa wani ni na deria Yoruba na bo ke de na ma wa bi e fori Yoruba na ko man shila ko na bo pa iye gogo ni fa ngere o bori ke ti maso ina ne me yewe ni na se mu ibu mo ko wa be stop na mo so na si la contest am angote ane ma angote bi je ni na se o meni na place o ba ndo ko se no bori ke wana se ino bori ke wana se ne an go ni se ke wana nya one man ni se no bori me ke wana se ba si to meni stop o go ko no bori ke wana se ba si o ba ndo ko se no bori ke wana se mo ka me ko na so na na bi yanga so gola ni nke shandi ya oni ure o pokmane fast food oni ure you gonna go ana ni na go nke impact wana woman impact ye ba ngengere so e ba ke ko na be na be dia fa gboro won ni manga ni mo ko stop na ti ni you me you ni bi na do ko fan ke ni na ke se na ma mu na ma bi ma university na bi wa se de ti na ma mu ke na ma ni university wa ili egobe na ma moko manga ya mutu ni bidine ndoko senga na wana kama kama na bomore de pleme bidine ya na sebe de na se so na ma mu na ma ilima wana ma mebo gbe ti ya wana wo me ti wa ni ngbago ga ni wa oni go ni fa ngre wana pa ni ngbago to fa mi de la bi pa bra na pa kai isku mu bra ibu te mo se de boy ko na ma ni yoba boy inyane by the tete to be fair one bo ambe ko se ko what for se ko no ja ko se re fan te de di fila te de ni ro bana out na fuda ni ani na yi ane mo na ere amo one in dia one labo one amanya na ko on nganima bebe te wa gbola ene on nganima o kra ya on ere amo awo me ku ni fa kuma pakabo kuma gbe to wanya na wa pa ben ne ko wani ba de ta gbo wani o ye bra me shi na rero wani ure me so na wo me ba de na ma ni wani te ma ge ne ko ko yi boko election si ni fante alpha ta gbo ibra manya o si bo fulani ma trambo fulani ni ba ni ngengere ane Nigeria me control le ba gbe to area ina na fa ka bo se wo vote wa vote fante ina ne le gini ni wana le gini one in bridge Jonathan e de Nigeria like in the hotel o mi ji de cop de roma ani ko bo kama we ni yanji wo no pala tingali ma pa ba mi mo ni ba pa gbo wa no ndi ani me so ha no me wa ndeba kan go wa de bra ndio me wa kan si na de ane re ya na o tamon kan so angan ya na mana pre tamno be te fu so grine tenere tamno je obio bela because you na ke o probotebo wa ni ya o ko se ko na pre iye ni me ni fan te de o se na kuma opre na si bra iye ni iye bia e na ngo to ba tamno ni dari god ya tamno ni dari god ani mo bori kan wana bo because tamno be o tamno okay wana press me o wana limit wa me bo ma me ke ni ke krekra ni krekra da ke ke mente mo ko ma zina ngo kanu ke tamno ke wana pre ma di ora la na ciencia ani bo wa re ke digeri ani ma ke ngania akin ka go tin ngania even Jesus let one get so me am almost here re ke digeri ane tamno prima be de mo te manga mo fi wana pre bo yes here bo ani re ke digeri so really ani ni nekon there so ni wana problem wa ni nekon be ko na nekon o ribe tamno no prima yi wana me ha ko te de na bo ni ako oni mi adogo o me ni takete body fiete wa so amamu wa ke me ga yi tan yo ni bi den o na do kwa mo ko me pota ko me wa se be pota ko me ni go ta na ni ko ana ni pota ko tan ni wa mi te wa ni ba be pota ko ni pota ko ni anti ga au tona ko ana ni pota ko ni ya na yi iyo ga be mo no kan ngengere ni se mo au tona ko ni ko na le ni ere o ti 2 weeks ago Cricrobo, au sono para visite che cala banner robo, por precarare con buona por moro, Omungi Terewa. Just because it's feeling the message, there is a Pacadia. Or Barati, Uyibo, Barati, Author Muro, Genes in Korea. Many outside Mabukma, or Cosia Pacadia. The year Jama, Bobra, in a robe, Muro, in India. But what are Mamebu and Pacat? Name by lot of me, how some you go, Koboko or one I'm not to win. In a next ticket of care. In your government, oh, in a man, it's to die. How some you go, I'm with the board of Bebo. And now Koboko or one up to you. Of course, little boring one yesterday. You go off on a rebramo. Any Kurinabo, any Calabanabo, any Wanga, Omina. 5 years in the world, when I was in one hour, woman, I will never touch her. One more for Pakistan, but you say, the day, what touch her lama. 1 hour, the book, what touch her to my garden of Peter Musaka. I never did pass to what I let her down. When the funny, but you got new and one I'm not, Calabanapa, new and so cookie. Why do you want my family? Now they will fool on my family, flatten when you read. So one is saying, I'm the county, the and then about Pakaya. Oh, the women that go to and about the Pakistan. Or then cry, I'm not in Nigeria, no family. Okay, cry, I'm to begin as I go, I need to get Pakistan away. So I'm an answer. My grandmother is in my area. As no matter about somebody that you make a guy together. But one is Jaffo, one are laughing, one are Minapo, one is Yapo, one is Jaffo. I'm an apple, I'm still Dabo, one is Apple, one is Apple, or many started. So you go start to cry, tell me to go on I want my friend. So 1 minute when I move. About what is going on, I want to move to I name my grandpa to that tomorrow. But the year fast. Jesse, so you are saying Jesse anywhere. Bye, about the area. Thank you, my beloved brother. God bless everyone. From our leader, Marvin, on the family, thinking, God will go to continue to guide and protect and give him that wisdom that will make things happen in this life. One day, everyone of us will come together and we celebrate. We will dance, and the whole world will see that there is great black country as
I will be going to our correspondent reporting from Ogoni Studio. Correspondent from Ogoni Studio, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear your mic coming out right and clear.
Your voice seems to be very slow. See if you can improve on it.
Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, lovers of freedom. Especially from where you are this moment. My name is Felix Barinadi. I'm here from Tai. Tai is in Ibosha, Plovit, Biafra land. Pia Ogoni. Nda pe kro Felix Barinali Ngbam. Ndalune ma ko weyon lejo Biafra. Sa konwa sidabu blue oyon we ju ekere Nigeria ma sa ne pia kana. Kombi nyanga sa yone Nnamdi Kanu. Wa do kai do sa Biafra lu. Me pia Yoruba Hausa Fulani. Badana belo ba e jiangi. Tuwa jian badana ba do a jian a kadiya. Sunage no ani e sa mado ko pia kana ba so ako. Mero jian a ilalo. Do jian ilalo so ma ko ne pia kana ko ba nyone be Nnamdi Kanu. E a dura ko yesuwa ke pia Yoruba ne pia oro Hausa Fulani ba e jian do. Sa ma ko ne alu ba lo pia kana. Ko be nyone Nnamdi Kanu. Me gbika do sa Biafra lu. E kan lo so ba lu anage sa bilo asa ba ko kana ale pia kana. Do so ba ko ne ko me pia da we da ba lu Mbappe me ba do wa United report. Si alo 2015 ba we ko ba we do implement United report. Do ani e logo si sida. Me so ne alo ali so no ko lu ga ko kana me alu ga isa. Pia kana mado ko bi so ko pia Nigeria Hausa Fulani ba jian a kade. So mado ko bi so ko bi akin. E bulu so ama sa bilu me nyone pia ari uga. Sa do ko Biafra alu. Niko ndamo ko ali ibe i pia Biafra. Ngo as of 1914 eso bia beke ba we lulu sino ali siro ama bia gbone iwe le ya to ni anu ebu sin buji jekpo no kana we di ye ewe akia sa kini buen le wa ki we ire kara ne bari lo so nda te we ko ne nda kama iwe luji ale we te la pe sa akia sa ki gboni sa o bi alu so ela no lo ani eya sa ya ko bia gbon lo ali tanga elema ne gbona lo ali tanga no na sa ma do ma ida yon sa ko ne gbona lo ali tanga o ebu ibe no ale le silo kana logo ne gbon na ere bana no logo ne Niger Delta na ere bana no alo we ya ko Niger Delta logo na kara Niger Delta na ale ne da a ki ke le salu akone ko alu a no ani ye bi kara Nigeria sabe pegedo ku bi using that comment bi lu Nigeria le kan de do ama mbe da ere wi ya ni ye na wale ndale don na ni a don na silo luwe ne be na wi isa ati dro ati sira do wo ebu sino kana eli biama sa ibo silo ya pa na ma ale ama ge dage to no ama si sira de do wo si sira so mai do ko bi sunwa ko bia fa la lo ali bia ale ya fa la lo ali bo ya lo le da do sai lu le blo bia fa na ale ebe me so awe ki de me ewe do ibe nu awe le ti ali te ne fi agbon ewe dunianu kisi ne deme lo kana lo ko pe na awe de e na nu asa ton bia oro ba su si ba lo lugalu ta su bi ire lojin ko lojin ta a lo zua ya ba fe ga jin yan so example le lo 1992 eso aliwele epo okuntumu we sufia no sa yirebu yibe kana ta pega pia kana doge ke la kira no dogore pari wi ta nyangwi pari wa so ani e anna de kan mo e ko ka we ne ko me lu ta ido ko me eyan sa gba lu do ko Biafra lu sanu le lo yibe i pia kana mai ko ni go kana eleme tai bi ala ke lo so me nyone adi uga adi te Nnamdi Kanu ne uche mefo sa do ke do sa Biafra malu mi go Biafra la lu adi amade Biafra lu ibe ali no wa ko ere no ama logo no wa su danale we o no osukwan lu obe we o no osukwan ere ba no wa agba osukwan ebe me ba ko la ge ko ba so ase she le kana tatu NNPC wa tunwa ke do sa ba fe na ge pia kana ebe NNPC ne pia she ani aba no ba lu ana ge ya ke do sa ba fe pia kana bu irration ya fe gaji ela no sa kana lu pon ya fe di lo ela no so kana lu kan ya fe di lo e so kana we lu ken e fe lo kana na we lu ken ke be no kana we lu ken we fe gaji alu kan we de jin adi ne pia de ugwa pia gbon adi ne pia okrika adi ne pia andoni e le ga pan jin salu jin ela no lo so ba tu tra ba din sa nuwa e mo ne gbon ko ale lo ne gbon le gbon ne ba e mo ne andoni ko le andoni ba bolo alugo igbo child amalu iba state ile ama eke ibe de ile ama kana bebe segaji tapia oroba na fezin so ba do ba so ali so aku be ali tu manglojin ewe kana wa bezin tanu aku Nigeria na lo na de iba let's take for instance ebulo siro ma ile ama ekele liba state ama ile mena kana si sunu bakire deputy governor no logo de pasi speaker no logo de governor si akana logo de pia kana no ba sika si kan lo bo siro ma ela ti da do wa mi go pia ono so ko de ba so ne kana yire loken melonu ani tele ba so ko ba so ne kana nuwa me ba na da bi kana ke da na da yire lo pia kana to ma ko ta sian ta ne pia kana ko bi ala ke do so ama me nyone Nnamdi Kanu e nyone ibe ne ba de sino ba e loken ka do sa Biafra lo ama ta wa nyone ta do ko Biafra lo kan do ko Biafra lo so Biafra lu yebe ya debe alu so Biafra lu ibe ya ele adi point loko ne gbon da lu wesu alu no leke nda le do leke ali le do wa ebulo sino ali le ama loko ne nda me ko me ni alu ali ke bon dona ne adona ke bon da lu ali ke bo we ko ukome no ma me ale nu sa yira so ali ale do wa pia na uga ma cosa sia sa ne pia kana koloso ani eyama me pia kana bi arake me yone ali yuga Nnamdi Kanu me yone ali yuga Nnamdi Kanu wa do ko Biafra alu e Biafra alu ari bia de Biafra na ali logo ni dabdo na ali ya ona ba se ayi gbene e pia yuga nem bia juguru kana bi arake bia juguru go kana bi arake bia juguru lema bi arake bia juguru ta bi arake me yone ali yuga Nnamdi Kanu ta yone ye pia ali yuga pia gbon sa do kai do sa e ki yali e bon na do ko do sa ki ali bi na luwin to a de we luwin to since 1914 we da be luwin to a blu apia oro siriani e de ga luwin su ya wa luwin to ba sa le la so e we to no ali lo sa ma do ko pia ta ba so wa ko me le la so e we to no ali lo sa bi ka kana ala ka me to no ali lo so a so bia ni we so ko yes me yi sa bia yo so ko yes me pia gbone iya lo aji ebe ka pia yu kana ebe pia te kana ebe pia yu ne wa kana me bude ya we siki de me ama ba we ko pia gbon la lo ali e problem ali area sonda mo e buno uwe ya ne gbona la lo ali uwe ani le problem me ko ibe gbona no ale ni kana ya ono ba de be ya agwo so fulani le ba le ga be ya e no si lo bo be ko bi president a ezubrin e ale ro so wama ba su ne le Sudan noa sa noa ko du be president e a so ma bia Buhari uwa a kade ba lia ye so ba lia Buhari ma ba so adona ne noa ken do sa ne a kan a yi no be na pia Yoruba ba se luwin sun abi ba ya ari alu sun abi ba ba ta lo ne ba be yon be ko ba lu Nigeria ma so hello Supreme de ama lo so ma na lu Nigeria hello Atiku Abubakar na lu Nigeria ba so ali sere ke wa dogi deceive so le ke sa which yangin ale la so iwe so no aleke ale la so ewe mo no aleke me men kono pia kanan me aden da we le school en so da we le school lo ma kare history na we le ba go ibe history sai salo so kan do sa ide mo ide so kan ewe a kan do sa ide so ali left and the right so da ma kono pia kanan ko bi ala ken ten ya ye ya sai mo no ale emu ejian pia olo Hausa Fulani ba ejian no so ba so ten na go watam herdsmen ba so herdsmen so buku aransa meji beke ba dan be ba se ga ne lo sme de ya ta me da ba we fena ge wi go kana be ni o ne ela asira i ala ken ya wa gbene ya kana i gbo ton olo so pia oro ba bo te ba se ga gina ge logo ne gbon si fe ne kana logo ne konti ji ba ne be ne kana so no so pia na uga pia mda ala ken me yo pia gbon ma da do kwata Biafra alu. Thank you, Mazi. I have spoken to my people. Chuku Okika Biama. We bless people that hear and do according to what our dialect of
25 member of IPOB first. I'm also a zone speaking Biafra. I'm from Ogbea local government. That is where I'm from. I want to let the world know that Asare have betrayed his people again. I don't know how much they paid him, but I'm not blaming him. When our leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu returned back from the prison, we went to our leader to visit him. There's a list of people, most of them they are also our brother, our Izon speaking Biafra. We have their list. We took those lists to our supreme leader Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We handed over those lists to him. We told our leader, we told him to be very, very careful with these people because they have been with us from the struggle, also the Niger Delta struggle. We have worked together and we know how they used to manipulate the people in order to get what they are looking for. We advise our leader to be very, very careful with these people. But among that list, Asare Dokubo was number 1 on that list. Our leader asked us a question that why Asare? We told him to be very, very careful. The truth so far is that even our leader too did not believe us. IPOB did never believe us when we are dropping a lot of articles about Asare Dokubo. IPOB to be very careful with Asare Dokubo. None of them believe us. they say that Asare Dokbo is doing what other militant cannot do. But I asked them a question. Since Asare have been talking about Biafra, River State or Bayelsa State, Asare Dokbo have never coordinated a town hall meeting concerning Biafra or IPOB. Neither Bayelsa State or River State. Asare Dokbo have never coordinated any rally protest of we getting Biafra. He have not, because he's like a chameleon. We told our people, our IPOB people, including the leadership of IPOB, but none of them believe us. Today we are not surprised. We are not surprised because there's no secret under the sun. His attitude have finally manifested. He's looking for money. It's under the government payroll. They will be paying him millions of naira every month. Can't you see this video accusing IPOB? I don't even know who that prophet is. I don't know, and I don't want even to know because I have no interest. If we want to kill IPOB, we don't look like a coward. Sometimes ago, a drop article was abusing us that we are Nicodemus, Biafra in the daytime, why something else in the night. I know time is coming. At the end of this article, this video I started talking about just dropped right now. It mentioned something. We will know and we are prepared. We are ready for that. We know his mission. We know the mission, his mission. We know the reason why they are paying him. But we are prepared. Nnamdi Kanu will not render any, and did not do anything. Number one, Nnamdi Kanu and IPOB, we are innocent. We did not cause anything. We did not assassinate anything, and we owe nobody any apology. And we are ready when that time comes. So go on. What they gonna? I don't know what they mutiava. What they gonna when that time comes? You are issuing threat to our leader, Nnamdi Kanu. You are issuing threat to IPOB. No worry, when that time comes. There's not everything we cannot be dancing outside. Our nakedness should be covered outside. But as you have decided to come out, there's no problem. When that time comes, we are ready with you. See, Asare Dokbo, let me tell you something. You claim to be a Biafran. I'm asking you, how many protests have you organized in River State or Bayelsa State, this Yanagwa that you are living? Me personally, we have organized series of protests. I'm not blaming you. I'm blaming my people. I'm blaming my IPOB brothers of keeping us aside, praising you, worshiping you as a God. But we will know that the end must surely justify the means. Now they have known who you be. Your true color have finally come out. I don't want to go in details. Money you have eaten from IPOB leadership, I don't want to mention it. You know what I'm talking about. Have you organized any program to sanitize, to inform your people about Biafra? Even at your hometown, how prepared your people concerning this country that you are making us like a parrot? We don't want to go far. We are working. We are the real people. We are working. We know who you be. 2015. I know what you did to us now. I don't want to go in details. But Asare Dokbo, it's not too far for you to repent. It's not too far for you to shut down your mouth and stay aside. You have lost confidence from IYC. You have lost confidence from all the agitators within the Niger Deltas. Now you are also lost confidence on IPOB. Shame on you. It is a very big shame on you. Because whether you like it or not, there is no group like IPOB. No group can get Biafra except IPOB. And you have lost your space. You have lost your space. Ogbe Aloa. No money. Iweletom Asare Dokbo. Asare Dokbo Ramokwa. Ororo toto wanyami igbogi be. No money. Igbogi. What Asare Dokbo na ororo bo. Omitoro ginger to be no be na ya no be 3 months no you not be 3 at again. But aniko ozige no. Asare dokumo be let me value. Obokari Kawale River State. Or that Rivers, he cannot stay in River State because he have destroyed. He knows that is the reason why he's hiding in Bayelsa State. But I stop my threatening when I am IPOB sectional leader Yarba. If not, he cannot Bayelsa but I ain't go rock about for Bayelsa State. Nyana go ain't go rock come when the Agbala go red, he go run come out. He go run come out. So he will let me buy, he will let me buy na baba. So be let me begin be na baba. E wait be na baba. Kuma agba ogbe aloa, is on law.
No negotiation, no compromise. All we want is Biafra.
My name is Itekena Owe. I'm from Cricket Pese, but calling from Nembe houses. I'm calling as regards to Mr. Asari Dokubo claiming that Prophet Nwaka was murdered by Nnamdi Kanu through the IPOB, so that Mr. Asari Dokubo is under pressure to betray the IPOB. Because we all know who Asari Dokubo is, and whenever he or she or whenever is ready in order to give speech through the media platform. But in this case, we can all observe and also to discover that Asari Dokubo, even as making his speech, he was never comfortable in telling whatever he has in telling the world. I believe that Asari Dokubo must be under a due pressure and also, if possible, at gunpoint in order to betray and also to say whatever he decides to say in order to secure his own future and that of his family. But I, Itekena Owe, is now saying and also telling the world as a Biafran and also as an Izzo man, saying that Asari Dokubo is on his own. And whatever thing he is saying on behalf of this, we all should believe that he is doing this on his own risk. Because we do not know whoever that has brought him over in order to do this. And we all know that a real Biafra and a real Izzo man can never betray his brother in any way. But this he has chosen to do. And we pray for him to recall and also to retrace his step before it becomes worse. Furthermore, I want to talk on my own dialect as to end off this speech. Yaminapo. Me Asari Dokubo be minimum me. One name na obere na me opeki bepe na me opeki poki na me. When you go kong ma we no poki be. But meaning by name no Muslim boy, Christian boy. Definitely Muslim boy or a beni na and a Christian boy beni na bori eke. So meaning by name and Muslim boy. Obi yoku yoku one name no Muslim boy. So Melko, what believe men and zoo government which is Nigeria me. In the ball aside, we operate Mesosiki. And in me Biafra me was Simasi. Nigeria semi, so that in Nikrobara mo Mesosiki and in Biafra and Baribo Kawara. But omi no Pokemon because baby be boke. Obaya Pikam or Peki baby Pikam. Omi no Pokemon or mi abaka.
Baker. Obinyogene. I want to refute what as a Asari Dokubo said about our leader. That Prophet Nwoko was killed by our leader is a very big lie. If they ask Asari Dokubo, can he mention those that kill Prophet Nwoko? Can you also show the world that this is the people that killed this prophet? This very prophet is even talking about. He said something that our leader cannot bring Biafra, that it is him that will bring Biafra. He demanded something from our leader, from Biafra IPOB. And with what he was even demanded from our leader from IPOB, with the way when we look into it, it's also a different thing entirely. We Biafra, we are after Biafra. We are not after anything, and nobody can even bribe anybody who is struggling, who is for this struggle. We even surprised to hear from Asari Dogobo saying all those nonsense things, that young man was killed by IPOB, our leader Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. In fact, it's a pity to him. One thing I will let the world know: any person that is from the zoo, Asari Dogobo is from zoo, because he's a Muslim. You should be careful the way you would dine with Muslim person. Any person that is Muslim, anything you do to that person, at the end the person will turn against you. That is the life of Asari Dogobo. And one thing I want to let the world know: he's claiming that he's from Yenagoa. Asari Dogobo is not from Yenagoa. He has destroyed Rivers State. He's from Rivers State. Now he's claiming that he's from Yenagoa. Asari Dogobo is not from Yenagoa. And what he said, he's not represented any Zoman. He's represented only himself, because he's a betrayer. Because we know him that as a betrayer, because this is not the first thing he has done. You can even confirm this thing from this thing, a Niger Delta struggle. What I'm saying, confirm the lifestyle of Asari Dogobo from other people. They will tell you that he's a betrayer. So what I am saying here, let the world know that he has been bought over by the zoo to come and just condemn our leader. Nobody killed that prophet. Our leader did not kill that prophet. Rather, any IPOB did not kill that prophet. He's a liar. And let him be careful. Why I'm saying this? He's not representing any zone. He's representing himself. He's a betrayer. And this land, a zone land, is going to judge Asari Dogobo. Let him be careful. He's not from Yenagoa. He has destroyed River State. Right now he's living at Yenagoa. Let him be careful. I'm talking, I'm from Yenagoa. I'm from Yenagoa. Let me use my dialect to tell my people that Asari Dogobo has been bought over. He is not a member of even IPOB. That time he was even talking about IPOB. He only wants money from our leader. If I tell the world what he has even collected from our leader, people will even surprise. He's a betrayer. When our leader give him instruction to carry out, did he carry out the instruction our leader give to him? No. Gbane Piatra Bandwa. Sineme Bakbao. Asari Dogobo. Onyuna onye wayo nyekbe. Onyuna medo nyuna mon mwedile berao. Sinan mek bayo woyo. Sinana ek babo meno. Kono sok barbo meni. Prophet wunko na meni. O bento meni gbieni. Bento modela lak bare sabo. Nyo IPOB myo Biafra modela lak bare sabo. E na me bebi logo se. En baki zibe ni zibe e. O ya na ere mo zuen meni. E Biafra yi o. Na sinen bebi made boro. E meni mo lak bare se. Mo beno kidigebo. Mo beno mini ngebo. Asari Dogobo money yin ek ba mo sok boro meni. E ni gbieni e prophet na. E no gbe prophet na do wule meni. E sen so you yin gbieni prophet na bo. Mek ba ka sok boro meni. Onyo no so igbeliba Asari Dogobo na bo Asari Dogobo nyo wayo. Onyo na nyo Muslim. Agriam sel kenaibo na na do na yaze agba mo boko me dabene sino bentomen by call election wo me election say boga mo election wuli na body sin wo mo bo me IBC lo me na sel kenai anyana me ekio ben banke botam na do de tekine e gbane Nigeria me gbane zoo na ade sel kenai Asari Dogobo bo nsina Asari Dogobo yine gbane ben banke na izbe o toke benene izbe benene fe ben ka Asari Dogobo me ben mo na me Banwa.
I'm here to refute what Asari Dogobo has said about IPOB and the director of Radio Biafra, Mazen Nnamdi Kanu in particular. That Asari Dogobo, as I know him when he started with IYC. And all his ambition upon IYC is what to gain, but not what to contribute to the fellow Ijaw man. IYC as a struggling team, Asari Dogobo have gained a lot, and to him that was trained by the federal government in the Islamic nation, have turned him, his character, away from the true Ijaw man to a Muslim. So Asari Dokbo cannot do better than the rest of his Islamic counter friends. So Asari Dokbo, condemning the struggle of this Biafra, led by IPOB leader, is to tell the world that the Zoo government have bought him over, and that is what has made him to be what he is today. Because I watched him say he is a true Biafran son, that he had owed no apology to anybody to claim as a Biafran, but today he is standing against the struggle of the IPOB to restore Biafra. So Asari is just a man who has no background, who has no base on his argument. This is somebody, they went to his house and killed people. He cannot order that the people should fight back, only to go and kill an individual. A true reasonable human being cannot just believe this, that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will stain his hand in the name of this struggle. For the number of human beings that have been wasted by the Zoo armies and police, he cannot order that they should be killed back, only to ask somebody to go and kill somebody in the name of this struggle. So I want people to reason very well that Asari Dokbo is only telling us that he is biased because he is not in position to lead anybody, and he cannot lead anybody because he is being bought over. It's money that is popping in.